JSON Web Token is a compact, secure way to share information between two particles, usually between the client and the server. Diving into the JWT detailedly with example, let's first understand what is protected root. A protected root means the required authentication, meaning only login user with valid token can access it. For example, if you go to the www.google.com/login, anyone can access that page and log in it. But if you log in and you are authenticate and authorized to that page, only the user/profile dashboard will be shown to you. After that, you can only be access that page. None of the other can access your resources. And similarly, if you are an admin and you will see the dashboard of your admin only. Let's try to understand what is JWT with best example. For instance, let's go to the google.com/login. There you will have username and password. You have to fill that. If the server will check the username and password are correct, it create an JWT token and send it back. This token proves that you are authenticate. The server trusts you for a while until the token expires. We save that token on our devices, usually in local storage or memory in our application. From onward, we access our protected root. When you try to access our profile, we can access easily. But if we send without token, the server will respond 401 unauthenticated because we didn't prove that who we are. Now, let's try to understand what if we send our authenticated token. Let's attach our token in request header. Now send the same request but with our token. After we send the token, the server verify the token. If the token is valid and not expired, the server returns our profile data. But if the token is invalid or expired, it says 403 forbidden.